Tubabuzeeko.
Simanyi kyakubabuulira.
Owulira otya kubanga otuuse ku lunaku luno?
Ndi musanyufu nnyo. Simanyi engeri yakinnyonnyola naye nga ndi musanyufu. My heart is happy. Ebbanga libadde ddene, I feel lucky okuba nti nina omusajja ng'oyo nga wange nga yakkiriza okutuuka ku eno level mu mukwano gwaffe. So ndi happy.
Bwe bwakeeredde soko tukubyemu akafaananyi nga olwaleero terunnatuuka nga bukyakyawo ng'olaba obudde tebukya.
Nalemedde okwebaka obviously kuba nabadde excited then bingi nnyo bye mbadde nnina okukola ttiimu yange ebintu ebisinga nga ndaba biri late yadde nga biri ale naye nga for me it is late nengwa mu traffic okujja wano naye mukama mulungi nti yakituuse abantu ba reverend ab'oku Kisugu St. Stephen abadde really patient ne batulindalinda ku katono ne tutuuka omukolo ne guggwa.
Omwami ng'omuweerezaayo obugambo.
Akimanyi leero ndooza tubyogedde byonna nange mbyogedde byonna I think now akimanyi nti nomwagala and I'm ready to do this. Yeah, olugendo tulutandise.
Ate bano abasuuzi baweeyo akagambo.
Sirina bigambo byabwe.
Okay.
Sirina.
Tulabye ku kyaki bayimbi banno n'amikwano gy'abayimbi mingi tetulina n'omu gwe tulabyeko.
I think tulabe ku reception because a lot of them bagambye nti it's hard okujja wano ku makya ate kuba reception eri wala so ne mbagamba it's okay mwe mukambasange busiika.
Okay.
Today I get married. Today I become Mrs. Okuyo. So it's really a happy day. We put our children together, we put our lives together, and it's a start of a whole new season which I don't understand, but I cannot wait, and I'm excited for what is about to happen. It's a happy day for me.
You've been an artist for a very long time in Uganda.
I'm still an artist.
So what does this mean to the entertainment industry?
Well, I don't know yet. Getting married for me is personal. It really has nothing to do with the industry at all. So it's a personal decision. I don't know what it's going to change in my career or change the industry. I have no idea. Hopefully it can be an example to people, but the truth is I don't care. I'm just happy because this is personal. The families are here, my sisters, everybody's happy. So that's how it matters for me. It's not really an industry thing for me.
This really shows that there's love in the industry. Even artists have got that love.
Yes, there is love. There is definitely love. I know that it rarely happens that an artist gets it to this level. I count myself lucky, but I still believe that there's love out there.
Is there something you've been missing out of marriage?
No, just I wanted to have a relationship that is committed, where you're going somewhere and both of you want to take this to the next level. That's the only thing. Otherwise, everything else would be ordinary. Apart from somebody not being ashamed to declare to the whole world that it's you and only you who they love. I was missing that kind of commitment. That's it.
So, Cindy, maybe your last words to the viewers and your fans.
Thank you for the support, for the prayers. It has been a long journey getting to organize this, all the money we needed, the support that we needed. So I want to say thank you to everybody who has pitched in every way, not just money, but even just advice and being there. I'm really grateful, and I hopefully my fans embrace this as well.
Could you really assure them that you will balance the two?
I will. I've always balanced a lot. I've always balanced a lot. Getting married is not, it's not like Prince is going to be my child or it's going to be a project. No, he has been in my life the last 5 years, and if I've been able to do that, then this is going to be easy.
The preacher today has dwelled much into respecting your marriage. How are you going to implement this?
We had a very good session of counseling. We had about 2 months of consecutive counseling, and there is so much that I've learned, and we're going to start from there.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Kale, welcome.
Maybe some few words to the best man in the world.
I am really grateful to Mr. and Mrs. Nondo for supporting us.
There he comes.
Yeah. So bye-bye. We'll have to go now.
Okay.
All right.
Yo, Prince.